Hold it steady. Watch the clearance on the right.
All right, lift the beams and move them out.
Lower it slowly. Watch the clearance on the right.
Okay, hold it right there. Starting the impact wrench now.
All right, guide that pin in. Got it. Looks good. Settle it down.
Workers use specialized tools to secure the long propeller shafts along the underside of the chassis, connecting the drivetrain components.
Is that clamp secure yet? Almost. Give me a second to tighten this connection. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on your side. Looks good. Hold it steady. Confirmed.
Lowering the panel, stand clear.
Guiding the rear into position now.
Looks aligned up top. Proceed with securing.
The overhead wiring seems secure.
Check the connection points on section 40.
Is it level now? Just slightly to the left. Okay, hold it there. The finish looks flawless right here.
Good. The alignment on this panel gap is consistent with the specs.
Installation of the steering column begins with securing the mounting brackets. Next, the pedal alignment is checked, followed by the final driver control switches. In section 53, the team installs the final driver controls, meticulously adjusting the steering column and aligning the pedals for precision.
Initiating alignment check. Steering left, then right.
Copy that. Preparing brake response test.
Check the windshield seal here. Looks secure. Panel gaps are within tolerance.